VoodooDE.
What's up guys, welcome back to Virtual Reality. Today I will show you a more detailed view about the HP Reverb virtual reality headset that I tested for you at the GDC 2019. So this is the headset, and I made some close-up pictures for you. So look at this. So this is the front of the HP Reverb, and this is the same material like with the Google Daydream headset. Very cool cloth stuff here, and it's really cool because you don't see the fingerprint stuff. There's no plastics, and you can see the two cameras here that looks like with the Samsung Odyssey, but there are only two cameras, so the tracking is of course not as good as with the Quest or the Rift S. You really have to notice that. It's a disadvantage of this headset. Also, we can see the head strap here, and we can see the speakers here. We'll see that later better. Here, this looks like the Rift. So this strap here and also the integrated headphones looks like the Rift. So this ring here at the back is very comfortable, guys. So it sits here on the back of your head, very, very good. And this was one of the most comfortable headsets I tried, besides the Oculus Rift S, I have to say. And yeah, let's have a look here at the inside. Here's the proximity sensor, of course, and we see the lenses here. These are also Fresnel lenses, and yeah, the field of view is bigger than with the Rift or the Vive, and also bigger like with the Lenovo Explorer and of course the old HP. We have this things here on our nose, and there is no light coming inside this headset, and this is really, really good, to be honest. There's no problem with that. I have this problem with this old HP Windows Mixed Reality headset, but this one, no problems. That was very, very cool. This is the view from down, and as you can see, there is absolutely no buttons or stuff, so we don't have any IPD changer, or even we cannot change the distance between the face and the lenses. That's not so good, and we have two microphones here. That's the only thing we have at this side. And here you can see we can remove the face cover. This is for the this is good for the business edition. That's $50 more, and we will see that later. So here's the cable stuff, and here you can see the material of the back. So here's the connector for your, if you don't like the integrated headsets, you can remove them and you can use the audio jack to connect your own headset. And here at the back you can see that this is the two replacement face cover for the business edition, but you can also buy them for the consumer edition if you like. You can just replace it. And here you can remove the display cable, so you can use it for arcades, put it in your backpack with a laptop and stuff. This is cool. So yeah, and here you can see the old controllers. That's pretty bad that they choose to do that, because yeah, I don't like these controllers. They are not tracked very good. So the big disadvantage of this headset is of course the tracking, and the biggest advantage of this headset is the screen door effect. I think it's the best screen door effect I've ever seen. It seems to be better than with the Pimax 8K even. So for guys that want to use that for simulation, racing simulation and stuff, this is perhaps a good thing. But you have to notice it has LC display. So if you want to play dark games like Elite Dangerous, perhaps this is not the way you should go. Here we can also see it again. This is the last picture I took. So here you can see that we can remove the integrated audio headset. Very cool. Yeah, I hope that was a little bit interesting for you to see it more detailed, close-up pictures and stuff. And of course I will try to get this at home, so I can do a detailed review about it and also show some gameplay on the HP Reverb. So this is definitely not the worst headset I've ever seen. It's okay. It has advantage and disadvantage. And if you saw my first impressions video, you can also know my opinion about that. So I hope you liked it, guys. And if yes, give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya.
VoodooDE